All right, gang, we made it to Cyprus. First impressions? Hot sand, and even hotter looks from the locals. I swear I saw someone drop their frappy.
So I came to pet one cat. I'm now their leader. Or prisoner. Honestly unclear.
We're nearly at the top of Mount Olympus. No gods yet, just goats and gravel, but the air's pure and my thighs are burning in the best way. I stood here for 30 seconds and got 5 selfies, 2 hugs, and 1 woman gave me €1. I'm basically a national treasure now.
Cypriot tip, pistachio, rosewater, and carob?
Yes.
All at once?
Maybe.
All melting faster than my dignity?
Definitely.
Turns out, SPF 50 and fur don't mix. I look like a Yeti covered in cake icing.
Mountain biking, they said. Scenic, they said, oh, no, a tree.
Finally, someone who understands big ears and stubborn energy. I'm taking this guy back to the forest.
Let's never do that again. Ever.
This mama's been doing this for millions of years. Much respect.
Fruity. Complex. I came here for meze, but they gave me a second family. I don't think I'm allowed to leave.
Cyprus, where you meet extended family in unexpected places.
Oh, Cyprus wasn't just a holiday, it was a warm hug in the form of sunshine, olives, and unexpected friendships. From ancient ruins to sea caves, every stumble, snack, and sunset reminded me that even a big hairy creature in a Hawaiian shirt can feel right at home. The locals smiled, the goats tolerated me, and the cats, well, they claimed me. I came looking for beaches and baklava, but I'm leaving with stories stitched into my fur and a heart full of island magic.
It's time to say goodbye to this sunny, sizzly island of magic, mosaics, and mystery meat.
It's time. Me, this bag, and a belly full of lucumades are heading home.